Fellow people of YouTube, welcome back to another budget workshop build with the Manic Mechanic. So here it is. We're going to do a couple of little touch-ups. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a waste because I've now found out I'm having to move. The house I'm currently in has been sold. But stay tuned to see that. Today we're going to sort out this mess first. I'm officially dedicating this to the box. If you don't know what the box is, you're not a real mechanic. You get a lot of hate for that. But the box is as follows. Wait, no it's not. 70% alcohol. Always useful. The box is a bit like this. Bunch of nuts. Where do I keep these? Box. Bunch of nuts. Bunch of nuts. Bunch of sump plugs for a Ford Focus MK2 which I do not own. Where do I keep these? The box. Empty tin. Where do I keep this? Not quite the box yet. Bunch of screws and hardware from an old project and all doing this up. Where do I keep these? Box. Old lug nut. Box. Bunch of old English plugs that I'm never going to need again. The box. Plug. Extension cord. Box, 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 box. Nuts. Bolts. Yeah, you get the idea. It's just a huge mess of spare parts. Okay, that's starting to look better already. Now I'm going to take care of all the pallets in the corner. They've just been annoying me. They're really annoying when you're trying to back into this garage. I keep running into them. So yeah, you've seen me dismantle enough of these. Let's plow through it. Alright, that's looking much better. All nicely piled up, out the way, and organised by size. Okay, next I'm going to show you what mowing a very small 5 meter by 5 meter yard should look like. There you go, nice and easy. Now it's time for a break. Unfortunately, my mowing experience looked a little bit more like this. As you can see, I have a very dodgy switch, but 2 or 3 repairs later, a lot of stabbing with a screwdriver and a lot of impatience. The lawn that had never been mowed, well, not never, since I moved in and probably quite a while before that, hadn't been mowed, is now starting to look a little bit neater. Time for a relaxing break by the fire. Alright, so over the Christmas period I was quite lucky to rip some old, whatever they're called, tool mounting panels out of an old barn and I can't fit them all in the workshop, but I'm going to put a couple of them up. Dead simple, makes a world of difference to just hang the stuff you want to easily access. So I'm having to put these blocks up to offset it from the wall so we can go around the pipe. Obviously not ideal, but like I said, isn't my house. I'm not about to take a pipe and reroute it, so this will have to do. Alright, so this particular panel is going to be dedicated to hanging all the compressed air fittings that I use regularly and just some other bits and bobs. You'll see me put them up. Sorry to interrupt your peaceful jazz experience, but take a look at that shelf! It is so tidy. I was fed up of having to go through that just to find the smallest little bit. It looks brilliant. Okay, the other one I want to put up right here where you see me lining it up. This is just going to hold a bunch of my motorbiking equipment, you know, helmet, jackets, keys, gloves, that kind of stuff. Just so it's easily accessible near the bike, don't have to go around looking for it, wonder where to keep it. Get home, take it all off, whack it on the wall, job's a good one. You will now watch me perform what is known as the 3,000 point turn, just trying to maneuver my bike out of here until I realise just swing it on the pivot stand, just swing it on the pivot stand, just swing it on the pivot stand. Yeah, that'll do. For those of you wondering how I get this shot, here's a very embarrassing picture coming up of me doing it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you've done everything properly, you haven't cut any corners. What could possibly go wrong? Wait, hold up, what's that? You haven't. You've snapped the bolt. You've snapped the bolt, man. Oh, come on. Okay, here we are, round 2. Hopefully you've learnt from your mistakes. You're a smart lad. Okay, let's go for it. Let's tighten the other one up. And, oh my god, I can't believe it. You just snapped it again. Yeah, that's right. Just look at it and think about what you've done. Come on, get back to it. Right, I am going to spare you the details, and yeah, I just do it up again. I'm not going to make you watch that again. It's just painful. It's just painful. I ended up shortening the bolt and then making it a bit pointy because I definitely didn't cut any corners with the depth of the holes that I drilled. Right, just whilst I finish this off, quick public announcement. If you want to see some cool projects coming up on this motorbike, stay tuned. We give it a good little update and we get it ready for the MOT. Heads up, it passes, but just by the skin of its teeth. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Like I said, this will be the last video in this workshop. I'm having to move. Luckily, I'm not moving very far. There are a couple more videos in the workshop about projects. Like I said, I've got some stuff coming up on the bike. So yeah, thank you very much for your time, and see you soon.